Good morning everyone. My name is Nikita Pal and I am a student of class 12th A of Bhavrav Devras Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Today I am standing here to present the first chapter of the book Vistas, and the chapter is named The Third Level. It is personally my favorite chapter. Why, you may ask? Well, this chapter has an amazing climax at the end. So stay tuned to know about the climax. So before starting off the story, I would like to tell you about the author of the story. The author of the story is Walter Braden Jack Finney. He is a famous author of America and he has best known works in science fictions and thrillers, and some of his famous stories are Body Snatchers, Time and Again, and also The Third Level. So moving on to the story, I would like to tell you about the theme of this story. The theme of this story dwells upon the theory of escapism. Well, you may ask, what is theory of escapism? Well, it is a desire to run away from reality into the past. Well, it may sound different, and the topic, the theory of escapism, may sound a little bit unreal to some people. But many people believe this theory in reality, and they believe that it is a psychological refugee from the grim realities of the present days. So, the main character Charlie wanted to go back into the past. It was his desire, but this desire was not contested by his wife Louisa. So, this chapter has three main characters. The first character is Charlie himself. He is the protagonist of the story. He is a perfect representative of a modern day man. He was a victim of stress, tension, insecurities, and fear, and he was a perfect representative of a modern day man. He was a victim of stress, tension, insecurities, and fear, and he wanted to run away from the reality. He was an escapist and he wanted to escape back into the past. So, the second character of the story is Louisa. Louisa was Charlie's wife. She was loving and caring towards her husband. She always wanted that her husband loves her and cares about her and never gets sad with her. But when the psychiatrist friend of Charlie, Sam, told her that he was unhappy, she did not want it to accept it. But she was a simple lady and it was not that difficult to take her in. Then the third character is Charlie's friend, Sam. Sam was a psychiatrist by profession and he was a typical city boy. When Charlie told him about the third level, he said that it was a joke. It could not be real. And he said that it was just his psychological being trying to run away from reality, and it was just a waking dream of fulfillment for him. Well, moving on to the chapter. The main story of the chapter begins at the Grand Central Station. Well, the third level written by Jack Finney blends fiction with reality. It is also about a man's wish to escape from the harsh realities of the present life. And Charlie, though he does not admit it, wanted to go back into the past as he is unhappy. He is unhappy with his wife. In fact, he is unhappy as he finds the world he lives in full of insecurities, fears, and hurry. So, he wanted to go back into the past. He liked to collect stamps, and his friend Sam told him that his stamp collecting is also a way of him to escape into the past. So, at the Grand Central Station, the story begins when Charlie was going somewhere from the Grand Central Station. There were only two levels at the Grand Central Station. However, Charlie found a third level. It was by chance. Many times he was lost there. He always found new corridors, new doorways, new tunnels. He began to think that the Grand Central was pushing out tunnels and new corridors like the roots of the huge tree. However, once he got lost, he found himself on the third level. Well, this level was totally different from all the other levels. This level was old-fashioned and looked from the previous century. Well, this level was completely out of his mind and he never heard about the third level at the Grand Central Station. So he was taken aback and he was confused. Why am I on the third level? Well, the third level, the locomotive, the brass pittons, and the naked gaslight all looked from the previous century, and he wanted to go back to Galesburg of 1894, his dream town. Well, but he almost got arrested. He wanted to go back to Galesburg of 1894, but he almost got arrested because the money he gave to pay the fare was different from that of those days, and the booking clerk thought that he was cheating. So Charlie, the booking clerk, thought that he was cheating, and so Charlie ran back into the present somehow, running away from the cops. And then when he came back into the present, he tried to tell his psychiatrist friend, his wife, and everyone about the third level at the Grand Central Station, but everyone was confused. Why was he talking about a third level when Grand Central Station had only 2 levels? Where did the third level come from? Was it real or was it just his imagination? Well, his psychiatrist friend Sam told him that it was not real and it was just a psychological being trying to run away from the reality, and he wanted to go back to past. So that's why he was just seeing things which were not real. Well, it was not the case until we reached the climax, because the psychiatrist friend of Charlie actually found the third level. Well, it is shocking. He found the third level at the Grand Central Station and he escaped back into Galesburg of 1894. Well, how did Charlie came to know about it? Well, Sam had written a letter to Charlie's grandfather in 1894 and Charlie found that letter. And Sam written that the third level is actually not just an imagination, it was true. So this story is completely different and the climax is completely confusing, that the third level was real or was it just an imagination, and if it was just an imagination, how did Charlie's friend found it again? So that's the end of the story. I would like to take my leave. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you very much.